PE 8 Quarter 2 Lesson 1 Futsal Nature and Background. Football sala, football de salon, is a ball sport played on a hard court smaller than a football pitch, mainly indoors. Uses smaller, harder, and low bounce ball. Played between two teams of 5 players, of which one of them is a goalkeeper. Emphasis is on improvisation, creativity, and technique. The YMCA spread the game immediately throughout the South America. It was easily played by everyone, everywhere, and in any weather condition without any difficulty, helping all players to stay in shape all year round. Who created futsal? The creator was a professor of physical education at the YMCA of Montevideo, Uruguay, Juan Carlos Siriani Gravier. He decided to develop new rules for the game using the rules of other sports such as handball and basketball. He called the sport as indoor football. Facilities and equipment in playing futsal. We have the futsal ball. The futsal ball is low bounce ball that is smaller than a normal outdoor soccer ball. The futsal ball's properties are specifically designed to develop skills. When a futsal ball is received by a good pass, it virtually sticks to the foot. According to FIFA, the expected weight of a size 5 ball is 410-450 grams. The expected weight for a size 4 futsal ball is 400 to 440 grams. Goal post. All futsal goals come in the standard size 3 meter by 2 meter with a run back of 1 to 2 meters. The futsal court, the pitch shall be divided in 2 halves by the halfway line. Futsal court length is 38 meter or 124.6 feet and width of 18 meter or 59 feet. The center mark shall be indicated at the midpoint of the halfway line. A circle with a radius of 3 meter shall be marked around it. Kick-off begins in the center mark. Mark or lines in the futsal court. Penalty mark are quarter circles with a 6 meter radius shall be drawn centered on the outside of each goal post. Penalty area. Penalty mark. And the second penalty mark. Substitution area. 4 corner arc. Dimensions of futsal court. And that is all for our Quarter 1 Lesson 1 Futsal PE 8. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.